25 English questions and answers for daily use. How long do you study? How long do you study?
4 hours a day. 4 hours a day.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a driver. I am a driver.
Can you lift the box? Can you lift the box?
Yes. I can. Yes. I can.
Did you know the solar system? Did you know the solar system?
No. I didn't. No. I didn't.
Why did you come? Why did you come?
I came to take my wallet. I came to take my wallet.
Can you lift the weight? Can you lift the weight?
No. I can't. No. I can't.
Are you both siblings? Are you both siblings?
Yes. We are. Yes. We are.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I am going to hospital. I am going to hospital.
How far is that? How far is that?
It's 2 kilometers away. It's 2 kilometers away.
Did you know about this plan? Did you know about this plan?
Yes. I know about this plan. Yes. I know about this plan.
What do you play? What do you play?
I play cricket. I play cricket.
What happened? What happened?
It scared me. It scared me.
What did you buy? What did you buy?
I bought groceries. I bought groceries.
When do you sleep? When do you sleep?
I sleep at 9 o'clock. I sleep at 9 o'clock.
Where is she from? Where is she from?
She is from Japan. She is from Japan.
Is he slim? Is he slim?
No. He is fat. No. He is fat.
How did you know about him? How did you know about him?
He is my friend. He is my friend.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes. I can. Yes. I can.
How tall are you? How tall are you?
I am 110 centimeters tall. I am 110 centimeters tall.
Can you please buy me that watch? Can you please buy me that watch?
I will buy tomorrow. I will buy tomorrow.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work in a bank. I work in a bank.
How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare?
$20. $20.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes. I am. Yes. I am.
Is he strong? Is he strong?
Yes. He is strong. Yes. He is strong.
Who is he? Who is he?
He is a pilot. He is a pilot.
To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.